got myself a slice of good old Casey's Pizza. If you're in the Midwest like me, or my area of the Midwest, you know that you live off of basically Casey's breakfast pizza if you drive for a living. And we are going to get one of the greatest things in the world, one of the greatest moments in my drumming career. I am about to go find the other tom set that goes to my Pearl Export, made in the 90s. I think it was the 90s. Can't believe I found this. One of the best days of my whole life, and I'm filming it because my wife doesn't understand why it's so amazing. All right, here we go. You know, it feels poetic, like it wasn't in a good home and or wasn't treated well, and now it's with me and I can take care of it. I'm going to take care of you. You're going to join your brothers and sisters. You're going to make an amazing collection of drums. Here's an old floor tom leg. As you can see, it's really starting to rust. There's a lot of kind of nasty stuff on there. What actually is crazy is you can clean this stuff pretty easily. With a little bit of just your friendly WD-40 and some aluminum foil, you can spray this down. Don't use water, it'll only make it rust more. You can already see it starting to kind of come back a little bit. By the way, this also works on all drum equipment, snare stands, cymbal stands, anything that's chrome. This aluminum foil is a lot softer than the actual chrome, so you can wipe it like sandpaper and it's not going to take off the chrome as long as you don't go insane. You can already see the difference between down here and up here.